This is a demonstration review of Freeance Mobile for Cityworks Release 5.3. I've got a lot of new functionality in here. It's a pretty big release for us. Uh, this release is both server-side upgrade, excuse me, and device side. So not only do we have to update the device side from the App Store, you also have to go and update the server side. Go to support.freeance.com, download the latest server upgrades, install them, and that's it. You'll be ready to go. And after you update the device side application. So we're going to concentrate on the device side application here, new functionality for users. Let's go into Freeance Mobile for Cityworks. We've already updated the app. Here it is. You're able to tell 5.3, and we can tell, click on that, and go to what our server release is also. Okay, it's the same login, our Cityworks login. We'll go ahead and hit login, and let's go to work orders here. Grab an existing work order. How about hydrants? And one of the first things we want to show you here is the big new crude elm. Let's grab this one here. And when I add labor, equipment, materials in the cost here, I have the option right up on the top to select crew or individuals. You know, crew is what everybody knows. It's a little different workflow, but if we hit, individuals, we just go hit add. I want to add labor. I've got my individual employees that I pull out. This looks very familiar, everyone, I'm sure. But notice here that I can also grab crews, and your crews will show up. And now when I go in and add labor, up on the top, add labor, my crew is here, big crew, so that when I come in and put in hours, that is set for everyone. I can add more employees to the crew if I want. Let's go ahead and save that. So I just added crew. And that's the same for if I have crew set. Notice that that's how I add labor, equipment, materials now. Up here, add. Equipment. There, it's already set for that crew. And material. Okay, so a little different workflow. We'll go over it one more time here. I've got my labor. Instead of having details for labor, materials, equipment, hit the add view, existing. Grab crew or no crew, and then come in up on the top here and hit add for your labor, equipment, materials. Alright. You'll also notice too that when I came in here I had another function. I had related records. Well, this lets me see related records is. I've got a child work order and a parent work order off this, and I can go to that. Parent work order. What work order created this? And who created a child work order for additional work, and what's it look like? So back all the way out to that original work order, there it is, related records. Hit add, review. That's also how I create a new child work order or inspection off this. Hit create up here on the top right. Create a new inspection. Let's go ahead and hit next on this. Let's go ahead and make this a hydrant. We'll go ahead and hit next. There's some functionality here in inspections also. I have the option, excuse me, the option to hide instructions and explanations. So that's in the configuration software. It's identical how your system administrator hides fields now. You can hide those. Once again, I've got that related records, and there's the work order that I created that inspection off of. I just jumped back to it. In this work order, you'll notice also I have instructions now. That's new. I can update those. If I hit update, I can update instructions. So there's that instructions. I also have update another field called shop, new. Some clients use shop, some don't, but the ones that did asked us to put it in there. So if you use shops, you can put shops in there now. Also have the ability, if we've got custom fields in here, if this custom field is a required field in Cityworks, it will be a required field in Freeance now. So if I use custom template fields that are required, they will be also match that requirement in Freeance Mobile. We have one more update field. Also, we have the update resolution. You go into update one more time, and we've got resolution field, which is a new update field. What's the resolution of this current work order? So we've got some new fields to update. Now, one of the other big functionalities we put in here, Freeance Mobile, is the ability to go into landscape. Let's go all the way out to our login, options, and now you'll notice I've got a new pull down, landscape or portrait. Going into the app, that's where I change it. We'll go ahead and hit save, and all of a sudden I'm in landscape now. Zoom out just a little, get more of this. Everything else works identical. Including the map. So now this is handy with a tablet. Get my GPS turned on there. I can put a tablet into landscape mode. Everything works the same. It's just that we're in landscape mode now. So that's really more for tablets. And that's the new functionality we have. Freeance Mobile for Cityworks 5.3. Hope you enjoyed the new functionality, and we'll have another video for configuring the administration side to manage a couple of these new features, such as hiding instructions, observations.